Hey, what's up guys, Gubro here with another video. This time it's an unboxing, the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 9, the first ever UK version unboxing here on YouTube. Okay, this phone is available to buy in Spain and in Italy since late February, and now it's available in the UK as well. Not via the website, you will have to go in to the Mi store in London, and you can buy it in person. As you can see, this is the global version, and hopefully once we open it, hopefully it will have the UK charger. The box is a very shiny one, playing with the light very well, and it's playing in various colors. My phone though is the piano black version at the moment. Only the black is available. The blue version and the lavender version is not available at the moment. This has 6 GB RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. What else you can find on the box? The main specs. It has a 48 megapixel main camera and a triple camera setup. It has the latest Snapdragon 855 processor in it. It has a class-leading 20-watt wireless charger capability. However, you will need the right charger for that. And it has an in-screen fingerprint sensor, the 5th generation improved fingerprint sensor. Coming back to the charger, it does come with a charger, but it doesn't come with the wireless charger. You will have to buy it separate. At the moment, you can only buy it from China, so you will have to wait until the UK version arrives. Let's crack this baby open. Okay, let's open up the box. All right. Okay, so as you open the box, first thing comes to you is a holder. It says designed by Xiaomi. Okay, if you open it, oh, it's very nice. Okay, you have a 3.5mm USB-C adapter, as the phone doesn't have a 3.5mm socket. So this adapter makes sure you can listen to your music via your 3.5mm jack. We have a SIM ejector tool, and we have a little bit of user guide and the warranty card. In the UK, you get 2 years warranty with it. You're not with this one, obviously. With the receipt you pay, you get when you pay for it. And it's a TPU case, a smoky one, a very soft one. It's not the best one, obviously, but it is something, at least until you can get another one. Right, the next you see is the phone itself. Right, it has a sticker on it. It says Mi 9, 48 megapixel ultra high resolution camera, and 855 Qualcomm 855 Snapdragon 855 processor. The wireless fast charge capability, which is actually TÜV certified. It's the German certification agency, and they are well known and well accepted over all the world. And the in-screen fingerprint sensor. On the back of the phone, you have the triple camera setup. Let's come closer and see it. The main, the top one is not the main camera, but it has a very nice ring around it, and it plays with the light the same way as the box does. The main camera is in the middle, and it has a laser autofocus, all three of them, and also obviously you have light. It has a dual nano SIM capability, so you can use 2 SIM cards in it. Unfortunately, no memory card. And you have a Mi logo down on the bottom with the usual necessary certification logos. This is a black one. It's nothing special. If you compare it side by side, this is a OnePlus 6. Let's take it out of the case so you will have an idea about the size. Okay, so size wise it's pretty similar, very close. The two phones are very close to each other size wise. Obviously there are many differences, but size wise it's very similar. Right, on the left hand side you have the SIM tray, the dual SIM tray. This button launches the Google Assistant. On the bottom you have a 3.5mm jack, a 3.5mm charging port. It doesn't want to focus. Right, maybe a little bit further down. Yep, okay. So you have a USB-C port. On the left hand side is the microphone, on the right hand side is the loudspeaker. You have a teardrop notch on the top of the screen. You have a secondary microphone and an IR blaster on the top. On the right hand side you have the volume rockers and the on-off button. On the back, as I said, you only have the camera and nothing else. Right, what else is in the box? That's very interesting. It's a USB-C to USB-A cable, and unfortunately I have to report it, this is not a UK charger. So Xiaomi is selling this phone with an EU charger. That is very unfortunate and I'm not happy about it at all. So basically what's happening, Xiaomi is selling the EU version in the UK. Probably after the launch they will change it to the UK charger, as other phones like the Mi 8 are coming with the UK charger. This is not a nice thing. I'm not really happy about it. Anyway, this is it, guys. This was a quick unboxing. I will come back with more details later. Thank you. Peace out.